Miss Kmoin Wahlang, from the small village of Shingimala in the southwest Khasi Hills of Meghalaya, comes an inspiring story of courage and determination. Meet Miss Wahlang, a farmer by profession, a mother of 12 children, and grandmother to more than 50 grandchildren. After leaving school, in 2017, following her daughter's advice to stay healthy and active, she began running. What started as a simple step towards fitness soon turned into an extraordinary journey. Since then, she has participated in several prestigious marathons, including the Tata Mumbai Marathon, Vedanta Delhi Half Marathon, TCS World, 10K Bengaluru, Tata Steel World, 25K Kolkata, and the Taobang Marathon, winning multiple races in her age category. Even today, at the age of 77, she runs 10 to 15 kilometers every day. This volume proves that passion and dreams have no age.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up loud for